Today I'm going to be trying out Japanese treats. So some friends took me to a store called Umomo Japan Living. It's a store in the mall. All of its products are from Japan. They had homeware, they had beauty, makeup things, little knickknacks, just everything to use in your kitchen or in your bathroom, or toys, lots of different things. So naturally, I gravitated towards the snacks. I got a couple of items here, about 5. I was very overwhelmed and a little bit rushed because we were there just before they closed. And I picked out some chips and a little sweet treat and something else. Thought it would be fun to try them out on here and to let you guys know what I think. Okay, the first one I'm gonna try, I have the receipt here to try to help me figure out which is which. This one is called Calbee Potato Crisps. Obviously a lot of the products don't have English, but these look kind of like Pringles, so I thought I'd try them. Okay, pop the top. Comes like this. They are tiny. It's hard to describe what they smell like. It's just like a little Pringle. It feels like I'm eating a Pringle, but the flavor, I have no idea what flavor that is. Not at all. Apple powder on here, carrot powder, plum powder, tomato powder, onion extract. I don't know what kind of flavor that is. It's nice. Probably just rate everything out of 10. This would be maybe an 8. This is an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's a weird kind of flavor, but it's not a bad weird flavor. The next one is a bag of chips. It's the same brand as this. Calbee Gorilla Corn Honey Chicken, I think. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and open these up. Yeah, that smells like chicken. They look like cheesies. Whoa, that is interesting. It's honey chicken, so I can taste the honey. It's sweet. These are actually delicious. These are so good. I could eat a whole bag of this. Yeah, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Water break. Okay, I think I'll try the other chips. They're just like that, but they're a different flavor. They are the Calbee Gorilla Corn Barbecue. Oh my god! Okay, finally. It doesn't really smell like anything, but they're the same little cheesy looking things. I mean, it's not bad. The actual chip itself, I really like the taste of it. The corn taste. Barbecue flavored, it doesn't taste like barbecue at all. You can see that there's a little bit of seasoning all over them, but I don't think they're not doing their job. It doesn't taste like barbecue at all. I don't know where it is. I don't know where the barbecue is. Good. It's good the way it is. This is a 4 out of 10 just because it doesn't have a lot of other flavor than just the actual corn chip flavor itself. So 4 out of 10. Now there is this. This is so hard to say. Yuha Mika Kuto Puchao Matcha Soft Candy. I butchered it. Guaranteed I butchered that. But this is what it looks like. I've actually never had matcha as like a tea or in a drink or anything like that. Are these individually wrapped? Oh, they are. Okay, so they're individually wrapped, just about this big. They look like a Starburst. Just a little chewy soft candy. Some black specks. I don't know what that is. Oh, they're a little bit hard. It's not soft. Oh! No. No. Oh? Kinda tastes better. The first like 2 bites were bad. Real matcha powder. Is that what matcha tastes like? I wouldn't know. I don't know. I just dropped them everywhere. It tastes really bad in the beginning, but then it gets a little bit softer, but it's still not that good to me. I'm not gonna eat any more of these. This is a 3. 3 out of 10. Another water break. It is the Menji Hello Panda Strawberry cookie. It's a cream center with crunchy cookie shell. And this is what it looks like. Oh, that's how I open it. It says tear here. Well, it's open, it's open. And again, it's wrapped separately inside the box. So it looks like this. Comes in this. Kind of just smell like cookie. And they're just a tiny little cookie ball. Tiny little cookie ball with a little panda on it. So we'll give these little cookies a try. That's weird. That's weird but good. The cookie part actually tastes like a Ritz cracker. The inside is not a lot of strawberry cream in there. It's a weird combination for sure. It's a very weird combination because my mind goes directly to the Ritz crackers, the Ritz bits, the sandwiches with the cheese, the fake cheese in the middle. That's what this kind of tastes like. And then you have the little strawberry cream in the middle. It just doesn't fit. Not to me. The strawberry cream inside of it is actually really nice. It's a really nice flavor. A 4, 4.5. 4.5, I think. Alright, well that's all the treats and snacks that I have. I really wish that I had more right now. Make sure to like this video and comment below if you think I should do more. They had so much stuff there. They had drinks too. I debated grabbing a couple drinks to try, and I think I would love to make a video where I try just drinks. Maybe another one where they had a lot of spicy stuff. I bought a lot of safe things because that's just how I am. I don't like spicy or too hot. So maybe next time, if you like this video, comment below if you want me to try it again. And thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. You like those?
Love them.
Chicken and honey chip. What do you think?
Definitely tasted chicken.
Right?
Not so sure if it was with honey, but got to chew.
It's soft candy. Soft matcha candy. What do you think? First thoughts.
I taste nothing.
Oh, I think it tastes kind of milky.
Milky?
I still kind of like it.
You like it?
Tasted grass.
Grass?
Weird, subtle green, grassy flavor.
Bria, do you like it? You do? You sure?
I feel like kind of sweetness too.